Allahabad High Court held that personal loan EMI are part of husband's net monthly income for determining maintenance payable to wife under Section CrPC. In a recent development, the Allahabad High Court has issued a landmark ruling enhancing the maintenance allowance awarded to Rakhi at Reka in a case filed under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code CR.P.P.T. The judgment, delivered on 13th March 2024 by Justice Surendra Singh L, has far-reaching implications for maintenance proceedings across the jurisdiction. Rakhai at Reka had filed a criminal revision challenging the judgment and order of the Principal Judge, Family Court, Amroha, which granted her a monthly maintenance allowance of Rs. 5,000. In her plea, Rakhi contended that the maintenance awarded was insufficient considering the income of her husband, opposite party NO.2, who serves in the Indian Navy and earns a monthly salary ranging between Rs. 35,000 to 40,000. Justice Surendra Singh L, in his eloquent remarks, underscored the paramount importance of Section 125 of the CR.P.C. in alleviating the financial distress faced by marginalized individuals. Justice Singh I noted the family court had disregarded the basic canon of law that it is the sacrosanct duty of the husband to provide financial support to the wife and to the minor children. Furthermore, the court scrutinized the husband's salary slip and observed that certain deductions, such as installments towards personal loans, could not be legally deducted from his net income. This led to the adjustment of the husband's net monthly income to Rs. 40,320. Quoting from previous judicial pronouncements, the justice emphasized merely because appellant 1 is capable of earning is not, in our opinion, sufficient reason to reduce the maintenance awarded by the family court. In light of these considerations, the Allahabad High Court allowed the criminal revision filed by Rakhai at Rika and enhanced her maintenance allowance to Rs. 10,000 per month, approximately 25% of the husband's revised net monthly income. The court directed the husband to pay the arrears of maintenance in 4 equal installments within a stipulated time frame. Case No Criminal Revision No. 167 of 2023. Bench Justice Surendra Singh. Order dated 12.02.2024.